Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Efia. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are looking for a delicious, comforting and flavorful Ghanaian soup recipe, then you are in the right place. Today I'll be showing you how I make my rich and tasty beef and pork like soup from scratch. If you love simple soup but tasty and delicious one, then trust me, you will love it. So all you have to do is to wear your apron and let's start cooking. To begin, I started by cooking my vegetables first. So into a large pot, I added garden eggs, carrots, fresh tomatoes, onion, pepper, and white beans, also known as yeah. In fact, these vegetables are the heart of this soup because they also create a rich, natural flavor without needing too much ingredients. After adding all the ingredients, I poured enough water to completely cover them. This will allow everything to cook evenly and become nice and soft. Now I'm going to cover the pot and leave the vegetables to cook. While the vegetables are cooking, let's move on to the meat. In a different cooking pot, I start by adding my thoroughly cleaned pork. Right after that, I'll go in with my cleaned beef. For me, the combination of pork and beef creates an amazing flavor that makes the soup extra special. Now it's time to season the meat. I'm adding my blended garlic, ginger, and onion paste. This mixture is one of the most important ingredients because it gives the meat an incredible aroma and flavor. Next, I'll go in with some aromat or spice blend or all-purpose seasoning, which is some garlic, ginger, cloves, all the natural ingredients or spice you can think of, and also a little bit of aromat bouillon tablet. I'll add everything, then we proceed to our next stage. Moving forward, I'll go in with some tomato paste. You can feel free to use fresh tomatoes only and that will be perfect. Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste and also add enough water to steam the meat properly. Now I'll use my spoon to mix everything together really well. You want to make sure every piece of meat is coated well with all those delicious seasoning. Now let's cover it and allow it to steam very well. Let's check on our vegetables. As you can see, everything is now soft and perfectly cooked. The tomatoes have broken down nicely, the onions are soft, the carrots are tender, the garden eggs are cooked through, and the white beans are soft as well. This is exactly what we are looking for. Now I'll carefully transfer all the cooked vegetables into my blender, add a little water, and we're going to blend off camera. Alright, so we are back to check on the meat as well, and wow, the aroma coming from the pot right now is absolutely amazing. The pork and the beef are slowly becoming tender and the seasoning have blended beautifully together. Now I'll cover it again and continue cooking until the meat is partially tender. We are back to our meat. At this point, the meat is nicely steamed and partially cooked. I'm now going to pour the blended vegetables mixture directly into the pot with the meat. Immediately you can see the soup becoming to come together. I'll add enough water to the soup. Since we are making light soup, the consistency of your soup always depends on how light or thick you want your soup to be. So add water according to how you want it, okay? I'll give everything a good stir so the ingredients combine properly. The color is already looking beautiful. Now I'll allow the soup to continue cooking over medium heat. This stage is very important because it allows all the flavors from the vegetable seasoning and meat to blend together beautifully. As the soup simmers, the flavors become deeper and richer. The meat continues to soften and the vegetables infuse the stock with even more flavor. and the aroma becomes absolutely irresistible. After several minutes of simmering, let's check on the soup again. Let's cook and smile away. Wow, just look at this. The soup has developed a beautiful color. The meat looks tender and juicy, and everything is looking perfectly cooked. At this stage, I'll taste for seasoning. Always remember to taste your soup before serving. If needed, a little more salt or seasoning to suit your preference. If today been your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Sophia. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So if you love what you're seeing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. All right, so there you have it. Our delicious homemade beef and pork like soup is ready. Just look at how rich and appetizing this soup looks. The broth is beautifully, the meat is tender, and the flavor is simply incredible. This soup pairs perfectly with fufu, rice ball banku, or even boiled yam. But traditionally, we eat this soup with fufu or rice. You will love it, so do trust the process and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, stay blessed and keep cooking with love. Bye.